Superfoods for your diet finally revealed. Superfoods is a word frequently utilized for supplement-rich fixings that present significant medical advantages. Other than advancing generally speaking well-being, numerous superfoods contain explicit mixtures, cell reinforcements, and micronutrients that might improve weight reduction. 1. Kale. Kale is a leafy green vegetable that's well known for its health-promoting properties. It's a great source of antioxidants and several key nutrients, including manganese and vitamin C and vitamin K. Kale is also low in calories and high in fiber, a compound that moves slowly through the digestive tract and helps keep you feeling fuller for longer, which may support weight loss. Try adding kale to your favorite salads, sautéing it with garlic for an easy side dish, or using it to add a pop of color to pasta dishes. 2. Flax seeds. Try not to get tricked by their size. These little earthy colored seeds are loaded with supplements. The high substance of omega-3 unsaturated fats expands the body's regular creation of oil and assists keep with cleaning saturated. It's an extraordinary superfood to work with weight reduction. Adding to that, they're without cholesterol, subsequently amazingly really great for your heart. Balding is one more typical issue looked at by us, and these seeds are the most effective way to advance sound hair. 3. Coconuts. Coconut oil is the lord of superfoods. With regards to this multi-reasoned food, nothing approaches. It tends to be utilized for cooking, magnificence, eating, and any other thing under the sun. Coconut oil is an extraordinary lotion present in body salves, face creams, or is even coordinated applied to the skin. Plentiful in nutrients, minerals, and fiber, it's an astonishing expansion to your eating regimen also. 4. Berries. Berries like strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are energetic, delightful, and exceptionally nutritious. They can likewise assist with fulfilling your sweet tooth while giving fewer calories than numerous other high-sugar bites or pastries. Berries function admirably in smoothies or as a fixing for yogurt or cereal. They additionally make a magnificent tidbit, either all alone or joined with different natural products in an organic product salad. 5. Eggs. Eggs are versatile, delicious, and simple to prepare. It's easy to see why they're one of the best superfoods for weight loss. In fact, eggs are packed with a variety of essential vitamins and minerals in each serving, including selenium, vitamin B12, riboflavin, and phosphorus. Additionally, eggs are brimming with protein, which can help promote feelings of fullness to boost weight loss. Hard-boiled eggs make a great snack sprinkled with some salt and pepper or a bit of hot sauce. You can also enjoy eggs in omelets, quiches, breakfast burritos, and stir-fries. 6. Papaya. The Instagram commendable natural product concealed in orange and yellow is another superfood to add to your bin. With high papain content, it's generally utilized in skin brightening veils, creams, and moisturizers. Papaya is plentiful in vitamin A, C, and E, which imply that papayas are useful in forestalling medical issues like diabetic coronary illness. Papaya juice is extraordinary for ladies with an unpredictable cycle as it can assist with normalizing the cycle. Finally, it's an extraordinary source to assemble your resistance also. 7. Aloe vera. Similarly as astounding as coconuts, aloe vera is the lord of multi-reasoned food. The gel removed from the inside piece of the plant is a remedy of goodness. It is utilized in an assortment of items to treat skin problems, skin breaks out, scarring, and sun-related burn. Aloe vera gel can even be utilized as an independent item to work on the skin surface and dial back maturing. Drinking aloe vera juice helps in restoring obstruction and acid reflux. It likewise furnishes stomach-related advantages alongside clear skin. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.